Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Rumor has it that Andile Mpisane's ex Sithelo is dating Amapiano star DJ Jazziq. You guys, the pair have been giving each other shout outs on their social media platforms. Sithelo took to her Instagram to share this. When I thought I had enough little ones following me to the bathroom every chance they get, another one to lick my face and sulk for cuddles all day long, I'm a mom again. We're so happy to have you, Beau. Welcome to our family. Stalkers and fans noticed that Cicero's dog Instagram account only has two people following it, and DJ Jazziq is one of them, you guys. And when Sithelo and DJ Jazziq wore the same jacket, you guys, that raised a lot of eyebrows. Those two matching outfits and jackets raised a lot of eyebrows, you guys. To the fans, particularly, do you think they could be dating? Now, do engage with me in comment section below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications so that you do not miss out on any uploads from me. Thank you so much. Bye.